Hey guys, Kenny here and welcome back. Sinusya ko yung mga old hauls na ginawa ko and ngayon ko lang na-realize guys that it has been more than 6 months simula nung huling gumawa ako ng Watson's haul, kaya today ayun yung gawin natin. I don't know, na-miss ko lang kasi siya, kaya eto, gawin natin siya. But instead of going sa physical stores, dito na lang tayo sa Watson's app umorder kasi mas convenient and mas safe siya. And as always guys, yung mga o-orderin ko are very affordable and I will try my best na mga less than 200 pesos lang. Tapos guys, mag-focus na lang tayo sa mga skincare and body care because to be honest, I don't need any new makeup. Ready na po ang aking phone, kaya simulan na natin to. Okay guys, so I'm going to start sa mga hair products and dito tayo sa Hairfix. Isa kasi ito sa mga brands na talagang ginagamit namin sa bahay. So mag-add tayo sa cart ng Keratin Protein Shampoo and Conditioner. Ooh, eto may pangkulay sila guys. So order tayo ng Bleach Permanent Hair Color and Gray na permanent hair color. Buy one take one kasi siya for 199, so let's take advantage of the sale. Since magkukulay tayo ng buhok, I guess kuha din tayo ng Keratin Collagen Treatment. I'm so excited dito sa mga ina-add to cart ko guys kasi ang mumura. Kukuha din ako ng Dermaid na Sulfur soap kasi isa to sa mga favorite ko na soaps. Kuha din tayo ng foot spray kasi naka-buy one take one siya for 117 pesos. Deodorant, munti ko na makalimutan. So kuha tayo ng Dermaid na scented Tawas with Aloe Vera and Unscented.
A few moments later.
Ang dami ko na na-add to cart guys. But I guess hahanap ako ng iba tapos ipapakita ko na lang siya sa video. Hindi ko na i-mention. Anyway, ayun guys. Ito yung mga naka-add to cart ko as of this moment. And again, maglalagay pa ako tapos ipapakita ko na lang sa haul. This is it guys, the moment has come. Ipapakita ko na sa inyo all of the products that you can purchase sa Watson's under 200 pesos. Sobrang dami nito guys and I'm so excited and ibababa ko muna kasi medyo mabigat siya at masakit sa baraso. First item that we have here is from Pretty Secrets and ito yung kanilang Snail Magic Tinted Sunscreen. This one meron siyang SPF 50 PA+++ and paraben free siya. Ang cute ng packaging niya guys, oh. Gagamitin ko to later kasi magte-take ako ng picture later pang Instagram and hindi ko naman kailangan ng super full na coverage. Kaya ito na lang yung gamitin natin. Moving on, yung next product that I have here is from Dermaid and ito yung kanilang Sulfur soap. This is actually one of my favorite Sulfur soaps kasi it's very affordable and mabango siya. Hindi siya kagaya ng ibang Sulfur soap na nasubukan ko before na super strong nung scent. This one super fresh nung scent and effective pa. So next product that we have here is the Dermate Castor Oil and this one is yung kanilang 100% pure and natural. So it says here that this product is multi-purpose moisturizer for hair, face, body, eyelashes, and eyebrows. It also says dito sa kanyang bottle that this one helps to reduce hair fall and appearance of acne scars and dark spots. And also nakakatulong din siya to prevent stretch marks. So I also got some foot spray and this one is yung Dermaid na foot spray deodorant in peppermint scent. And aside from peppermint, we also have here the lavender scent or variant. This one actually naka-buy one take one siya and 100 plus pesos lang siya, less than 120. Kaya if you like using this kind of product, take advantage of the sale kasi makakatipid kayo. Kaya nga para sa inyo na ang problema is yung foot odor and naghahanap kayo na makakatulong para mawala yung odor niya and mabilis na way para mawala siya. Eto guys, okay na okay siya kasi nawawala talaga yung foot odor tapos antibacterial din siya. Aside from that, di ba, sobrang convenient din gamitin kasi meron siyang spray. Meron din ako ditong dalawang deodorant. So yung first one is the scented Tawas deodorant with aloe vera and vitamin E. Tapos eto namang isa is yung Dermaid na unscented Tawas deodorant with Calamansi. Sabi dito guys, this one is paraben-free and sulfate-free. I like the scent, very clean. Hindi siya masakit sa ilong and overpowering. Ito namang hawak ko ngayon is from Body Expert and ito yung kanilang Lightening Milky Salt Scrub, enriched with milk protein and collagen. So dito sa packaging niya, sabi yung product daw is paraben-free, alcohol-free, silicone-free, and mineral oil-free. It's perfect for all skin type, silky soft feeling, lighter skin, healthier skin complexion, and helps boost skin elasticity. This one, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, is less than 150 pesos. Tapos ano na siya, 250 grams. Tsaka ang bango niya guys, kahit na hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan, amoy ko na yung pagka-milky nung scent. Actually, parang nakakagutom yung amoy niya kasi ang bango. I cannot wait to try this one out, kaya babalitaan ko na lang kayo soon kapag nasubukan ko na siya. I don't have any first aid kit dito sa aking apartment, kaya we have here a first aid kit and tignan natin kung anong mga laman niya kasi actually clueless ako. Meron siyang flashlight, kaya perfect, especially kapag bigla ang nag-brown out, diba? So, eto siya kapag ka-inopen yung kit and yung first product that we have is the elastic bandage. So, we also have here an iodine. Meron din tayong isopropyl alcohol. Tapos, meron ding, ammonium carbonate. Ammonia, something. Di ba? Hindi ko alam kung ano siya kasi nga wala akong mga gamit na ganito dito sa apartment. We also have here a eucalyptus ointment. Tama ba? Yeah. This one is an ointment or rub. So basically, para siyang Vicks. Tapos, meron din tayo nitong pang balot ng sugat. Para siyang tape. Ano ba, Kenny? Bakit wala kang alam sa mga ganito? Hindi kasi ako naging part ng Boy Scout, kaya wala akong alam sa ganito. Pang-muse kasi tayo, guys, kaya wala tayong alam sa ganito. But anyway, we also have here some Band-Aid Gauze Pad. Gauze Pad? I don't know kung paano siya pronounce. But ayan, yung ganitong pad. In fairness ha, marami siyang laman. Anyway, moving on. So this time, sa mga hair care naman tayo. I have been wanting to color my hair for so long kasi it's been more than a year na ata since the last time na nagkulay ako ng buhok. And having said that, we have here some hair colors from Hairfix. And yung first na meron tayo is yung Bleach. Naka-buy one, take one siya. Kompleto na siya. Meron siyang mixing tray, gloves, and shower cup inside. Ganito siya once you open the box. So, meron tayo nung pangkulay, meron nung bleaching powder, merong shower cup or hair cup, merong gloves, and meron ding hair conditioner. Tapos, dito nyo siya pwedeng i-mix. Kaya, nakakatuwa kasi hindi nyo na kailangan ng ibang gamit. Suklay na lang. Okay guys, so aside from the bleaching hair color, I also got another shade. And this one naman is yung color gray. Super excited to try na mag-gray hair color. I know hindi na siya uso whatsoever, but you know, for a change lang naman. And feeling ko naman kapag ka nagkulay ako, probably mga ano lang siya, 1 week maglalast. Then after nun, balik na ulit ako sa black. Syempre kapag ka nagkulay ka ng hair, dapat meron ka ding pang treatment. Kaya we have here the Life Strong Hairfix Keratin Protein Hair Treatment. This one, by the way, is yung straightening and relaxing. And nakasulat din dito that this is enriched with soy protein extract. Tapos guys, bawat ganitong sachet, 2 usage na siya, kaya super nice. Meron din ako ditong shampoo and conditioner from Hairfix. And the reason why I love this brand is because sa bahay namin, ito yung ginagamit. Actually, sila Clary, super love na love to. Kaya naisipan ko na dito sa apartment, ito na lang din yung gamitin ko. So, ito namang mga hawak ko are from Pretty Secrets and these are their eye and face masks. As you can see, I have a bunch kasi super affordable lang nila. And nagawan ko na kasi ng video before yung Pretty Secrets and sobrang nagustuhan ko talaga yung skincare nila. First mask that we have is yung kanilang eye mask and yung tawag dito is Watermelon Eye Sheet Mask. Refreshing and lightening. Super cute ng packaging niya. I love it. Aside dun sa watermelon, meron din tayo nitong cucumber eye sheet mask. And this one naman is brightening and hydrating. And ayan po siya mga kaibigan kapag ka-close up. So I also have here some regular masks. And this one is yung Pretty Secrets na Snail Black Detox Mask. Ito yung packaging niya guys. Super cute. And yung claims ng product is that it is renewing, affirming, and revitalizing. Ito namang isang to is yung Pretty Secrets na Charcoal Black Detox Mask. Super cute packaging as well. And dito naman sa mask na to, yung claims niya is purifying, tightening, and exfoliating. And same sa nauna, this one also is buy one, take one. This one as well is a detox mask, but yung variant niya naman is honey. Buy one, take one din siya, and yung claims naman itong isang to is nourishing, rejuvenating, and repairing. Ito yung final mask na meron tayo, and yung tawag dito is Pretty Secrets Charcoal Hydrogel Mask. Ganito siya kapag ka-close up and kakaiba siya guys. Well, actually not naman kakaiba but ayan, hopefully nakikita nyo. Ang sarap niyang squish kaya lang bawal diinan kasi baka mapunit. But anyway, yung claims nito is that it helps detoxify skin, helps brighten skin, and helps improve skin texture. Sobrang importante ng hand sanitizer and actually hindi na siya nawawala dito sa apartment and sa bahay. Kaya I also have here a sanitizer and this one is yung Dermaid na hand sanitizer. Feeling ko sobrang daming beses ko nang sinabi yung hand sanitizer but anyway, this one is yung variant na Cool Splash and buy one take one din siya. Yung claims nitong isang to is antibacterial, non-sticky, rinse-free, and paraben-free. It smells fresh. Medyo may pagka-alcohol yung scent but hindi naman siya overpowering or matapang. Very mild and gentle lang. 2 more products to go and yung next one is itong Dermaid Washable Face Mask for Adults. Etong dalawang to, dark green siya and eto namang isa obviously is gray. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, this one is like 35 pesos lang. Super affordable. Maganda yung material niya guys. I like it. Tapos, meron din siyang sleeve para sa filter. Final product that we have here is itong Radiance C. And this one is yung Vitamin C+. This one contains 30 capsules. And kung hindi ako nagkakamali, 11 pesos siya per capsule. Sinama ko na kayo sa aking paliligo. But hanggang dito lang naman, so don't worry guys. But anyway, for my soap nga, ang gamit ko is yung Dermaid na Sulfur soap. And I have been using this one for more than a year na. Hopefully okay yung audio. But anyway, for those of you na nagsasuffer sa mga tiny bumps sa skin. Happy na ba ako? Ayun nga, if you suffer from tiny bumps sa skin, hindi lang sa katawan but also sa face. And also sa mga pimples, this soap is really good. Ito kasing soap na to guys, meron siyang rosemary and basil extract, which helps remove excess oil from the skin. Aside from that, this soap also helps reduce acne, leaving it smoother and healthier. And true to its claim naman guys, talagang effective and nakakatulong siya na mag-dry or mawala yung mga bumps. Syempre, it takes time, but I promise you guys that this one is really effective and good. By the way guys, make sure na kapag ginamit nyo to, leave it sa skin nyo for about 2 to 3 minutes bago nyo banlawan. For my shampoo, yung gagamitin ko is itong Hairfix na Keratin Protein Shampoo. Tapos ayan guys, ang gawin natin is i-massage lang natin siyang mabuti sa ating ulo. Sobrang bango ng shampoo na to guys, I swear. Tapos, since nga meron siyang keratin, hindi siya nakaka-dry ng hair, kaya kahit hindi na kayo gumamit ng conditioner. For conditioner, I'll be using the Hairfix Keratin Protein Conditioner. This one also guys, maganda siya sa hair kasi very moisturizing siya. Aside from that, hindi nyo din kailangan ng sobrang dami, especially kung maiksi yung hair. Sa akin ganito lang, okay na ako. Tapos, ayan, minamassage ko lang siya sa aking hair. Sobrang relaxing nung amoy ng shampoo and conditioner guys. I love it. Grabe guys. I feel so fresh and energized na ulit. Iba talaga yung sayang binibigay ng pag-shower, no? Sobrang nakaka-relax siya and nakaka-fresh. For my deo, ang gagamitin ko is itong Dermaid na scented Tawas Deodorant. Ito yung may aloe vera and vitamin E. Tapos yung claims nito is antiperspirant, antibacterial, helps moisture underarms, and prevent body odor. Actually, itong isang to guys, ginagamit siya ng nanay ko sa bahay. May mga ganito kami and natry ko na siya before. And what I really like about this is that hindi siya malagkit. Kasi di ba merong mga deodorant na after a few seconds pa lang, ramdam nyo na yung lagkit. But this one, hindi siya ganon. Sobrang comfortable niya sa underarm and parang wala ka nilagay. Like I've said guys, I'm going to take photos pang Instagram. But before tayong mag-makeup, I guess, mag-mask muna tayo. Kanina ko pa kasi gustong subukan to, kaya i-try natin siya. And let's see kung ano yung effect niya sa face. Tapos guys, ang maganda dito is hindi siya tinipid sa serum. As in, ang dami niyang lamang serum. Tapos ayan guys, ganito yung itsura ng mask. And as you can see, para talaga siyang gel. Guys, you have to be careful with this mask kasi medyo malaki siya and mabilis mapunit. So dito sa part ng lips, bumabagsak siya. Feeling ko hindi ako makakapagsalita habang suot-suot ko to. So I guess, babalik na lang ako kapag okay na after like 15 or 20 minutes. Unfortunately, hindi ko na naipakita sa inyo yung process ng paglagay kasi masyadong delicate yung product. But in terms of its feeling sa skin, actually, it's super duper hydrating and refreshing. Sobrang sarap ng feeling niya sa skin. Tapos diba, kagaya nga nung pinakita ko kanina, hindi siya tinipid sa essence. Sobrang dami niyang essence, kaya kahit sa neck, pwedeng-pwede kayong maglagay nung serum or nung essence nung mask. Tapos di ba ang aliwalas tignan ng skin after gamitin yung mask? Okay siya sa akin. Yun nga lang, dapat talaga maingat kayo kasi medyo mabilis mapunit yung mask. Ito naman yung subukan natin this time. And again, yung tawag dito is Pretty Secret Snail Magic Tinted Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA++++. Meron siyang seal kapag binili nyo guys, which is good. Kasi sigurado kayo na hindi na-expose sa kahit anong dirt yung product and alam nyo bago talaga siya. Dito nga pala sa kanyang tube nakalagay na yung product is made in Korea. It contains 10 ml and paraben-free. Feeling ko medyo light lang siya sa akin ng konti but I can make this work naman, I'm very sure. Bronzer lang katapat niya. It actually smells like skincare. Hindi siya amoy makeup, which is good. And pagdating sa coverage, ayan guys. Light lang yung coverage niya. And honestly, hindi ako nag-expect ng sobrang daming coverage dito because tinted sunscreen naman siya eh. Kung naghahanap kayo ng base na perfect or parang mag-even out lang ng skin tone, this one is nice. Ayun o, diba? Ginawa niya lang sobrang aliwalas ng itsura ng skin. Hindi ko lang sure kung may ibang color sila dito, but hopefully meron, diba? Para may option. Medyo maputi lang yung kulay for my skin, but in terms of formula, actually very light siya sa skin. Hindi siya mabigat at all. Para ka lang naglagay ng sunscreen, ganun lang yung feeling niya. Medyo tacky ng konting-konti yung feeling niya, kaya I suggest na maglagay kayo ng powder after. But ayan, tingnan nyo, diba? Ang lakas maka-fresh nung kanyang effect sa skin. Blendability-wise, very easy to blend naman siya. So okay siya sa akin, yun nga lang talaga yung kulay. Medyo light. Anyway guys, tatapusin ko muna off-cam yung aking makeup, then after nito, babalikan ko kayo. Here is my finished makeup guys. Sobrang simple lang na makeup na ginawa ko guys. So basically what I did was, nag-spot conceal lang ako sa mga area na medyo visible pa yung pimples. Tapos, ang ginawa ko is naglagay lang ako ng konting tint sa aking cheeks and sinat ko lang yung center ng face ko ng powder para mawala yung pagka-shiny niya. Anyway guys, I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa video natin today and sana din may nagustuhan kayo sa mga pinakita kong under 200 pesos na Watson's product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe and I hope to see all of you again on my next one.